As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome. This is Stocksnipertrading. Guys, this is a trade recap that we just took in our live London session. It's a Monday, October 17, and I just want to walk through a little bit of how we set up this trade. This is DAX, which is German 30. We trade this regularly in our London session. So here was how the market gap down, and we had this area of resistance on the 5 minutes. This area 12,430. We couldn't really break above it going into midnight. It scaled back, but really stayed. It kept the volume above here. After midnight, 12,400, holding this area. Now we're coming into 1 a.m. 1 a.m. had a strong bullish push above here. We got up to 12,450. It pulled back down where we started to make this area, which was previous resistance over here in the entire Asian market. And now we're starting to build it as a key critical support demand level. So this is what we highlighted. We start our London call around 2:30, 2:40 a.m. Eastern. We start off with NASDAQ, DAX, and GBP USD, and then after the first 30 minutes then we move into gold and oil. So this is what we were charting, this is what we were following leading into the London market open. So we can see that it was building up to here, but really that was the high of the day. Okay, this purple line 12,470 up there, it got rejected. So we have this area of supply. So 255. Now what we were looking for was a move here. So the market opened and it was bullish. Okay, so this was the first 5 minutes, but what gave us a clue was how it opened. It opened red and came all the way down here, and it just flipped with this wick and picked up all of that liquidity. So this was a clue that we used also with NASDAQ, that the market was pushing bullish. Okay, so it came down red right away in like the first minute. It dropped down, it broke this critical demand area, dropped down to 12,417, picked up the liquidity, and then as soon as it started to break this wick and the high of the day, that was set up for an impulse buy, where some snipers took the impulse buy and it ran for a total of, from the high up to here, ran for about 30 pips, just 30 plus. Okay, so most snipers scaled out profit up there because it is an impulse. And then what we were waiting for was the retest candle, where it came down bearish. Okay, so we have an area of resistance now right up here, and it came down right back down to the daily breakout area and caught a wick. We were waiting patiently again to give us another entry. We were also looking for maybe if volume could close below this area or move below here and push back down here and then have a nice drop. So we were also monitoring that on our live, and this is what happened. It opened green and started to come down. This is where I took an impulse sell as it started to break down here. I went in with a half lot size and I took the impulse sell, and what I was also waiting for was the retest candle. So this candle now at 310 closed below. So what we were waiting for was the new 15-minute candle to come into the market and retest. And what happened here was it opened green, it came right up to this area that we were identified, this supply area, and got rejected. When it got rejected and started to break this low, This is when I went in with a much bigger size. I went in with 2.5 lots and we took it down to here. This is where I started to scale out at the bottom down here, but most snipers held and they caught the maximum move, continuing to push down to this hourly white line. So that was from our top-down analysis where it came down to the hourly support. So that break there also on the sell netted us approximately up to 50-60 pips down there. So that was just a recap of the London market open. Okay, so this liquidity wick gave a good clue that the market was going to push up, but it just came up to this area of resistance and then continued to push back down. Okay, so that was our trade in DAX in our live London, and we also had a gold trade over here that we took. It was right over here. Okay, so I will break this down where we kind of trapped all of this. There was a lot of impulse moves, came up there, got rejected, came up here, got rejected, came up here, got rejected, came up here, got rejected. This one broke out impulsively and closed right here. This candle actually closed at 345. So this candle closed above, and when it came down to retest, we bought this candle. We put our stop loss down here, but it went directly right into profit with no drawdown. And it went up for approximately almost 30 pips. Okay, as a scalper, that's kind of what we're looking for, 15, 20 to 30 pips. And this is live right now, how it consolidated and then now coming down by 430, coming back down. So that was a scalp up there. And if you don't secure any profit, then things can come down as a scalper. So guys, we hope you guys enjoy these live recaps that we do. This was just directly right after our live call. We would love for you guys to join the Sniper team. Visit our website, www.stocksnipertrading.com, where we trade live London 5 days a week. We trade live New York, post New York. We've got New York trading workshops. We have webinars 3 times a week, Q&As. We have full courses with webinars. So guys, if you want to take your trading to the next level and be with the best trading team, join SST, Stock Sniper Trading, and we'll see you guys in our next recap. So thank you guys for all your support. Please remember to like and subscribe so we can send out more of these daily recap videos, and we appreciate all your support. Thank you from everyone at Stock Sniper Trading. Have a good day, everybody. God bless.